When your Samsung Smart TV remote stops working, start with the basics. The remote uses infrared signals that require a clear line of sight between the remote and the TV's IR receiver. The IR receiver is typically located at the bottom center of your TV. Any obstruction in this path will prevent the remote from working properly. Common obstructions include dust buildup, decorative objects, or furniture blocking the signal path. Even small particles can interfere with the infrared communication. According to recent data, remote issues break down into specific categories. Let's examine the most common problems and their frequency. Battery-related problems account for 45% of all remote issues, making them the most common cause of remote failure. IR sensor problems represent 25% of cases. Now let's focus on battery troubleshooting, the most common issue. We'll use a dynamic battery indicator to demonstrate proper battery management. Here's a battery indicator showing low power. When your remote becomes unresponsive, the first step is always battery replacement. Follow these essential steps for proper battery maintenance. Watch as we simulate replacing the batteries. The battery level increases dramatically, restoring full remote functionality. Always use matching battery types and avoid mixing old with new batteries. Different battery types offer varying performance levels. This comparison shows how battery choice affects remote longevity and reliability. Remember these key troubleshooting basics. Ensure clear line of sight, clean the IR receiver, and replace batteries with high-quality alternatives. These simple steps resolve the majority of remote control issues. When basic troubleshooting fails, your Samsung remote likely has Bluetooth pairing issues, which account for 20% of all remote problems. To repair your remote, hold the return and play pause buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds until your TV displays a pairing confirmation message. Environmental interference from LED lights, fluorescent bulbs, and other infrared devices can disrupt your remote's signal transmission. Samsung's 2024 firmware update includes adaptive infrared sensitivity that automatically adjusts based on ambient light conditions, reducing interference-related issues by 67%. For advanced diagnostics and backup control, use the SmartThings app on your smartphone. It provides comprehensive troubleshooting tools and maintains an 89% user satisfaction rate. If these advanced solutions don't resolve the issue, check for firmware updates or contact Samsung support. Professional repair services may be necessary for persistent hardware problems.